Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. Of course, right as I start to film, the pool guy comes. Hi Gary. The old saying goes that there are no shortcuts in life, but I beg to differ. And that's what we're going to be talking about today. Some of the absolute best game-changing cleaning shortcuts. This is going to make things easier, faster, and more efficient for you to get things done around the house, and who doesn't love that? Now, I seriously debated having Ryan do this video because he's really the expert in cleaning shortcuts. In fact, I don't think there's ever been a person in the history of the world who could clean a room faster than Ryan. Unfortunately, Ryan was not available. He's very busy, so you're stuck with me. These are some of the absolute best cleaning tips in my arsenal, so I hope you guys are going to love this. If you do, hit the thumbs up button, and if you are new to my channel, I would love to have you. You can hit that red subscribe button and you will be notified every time I post a new video. So with all of that said, let's jump in to our cleaning shortcuts. Maybe I'm late to the party on this one, but I just discovered this last week and this is a game changer for me. They are zip-on sheets. I got a set for Carter's nursery, so instead of having to pull the mattress out of his crib, do the whole sheet thing, all I have to do is zip it right off, throw it in the wash, and zip it back on. I am so in love with these. I am now going to buy some for my bed as well, because once you use a zipper sheet, you just can't go back. Baskets are your friend. I have two different types of baskets all around the house. One are clutter bins, this is what I call them. This is where you can put random miscellaneous clutter in any given room that needs to be put away or moved to another room in the house. That way your clutter doesn't have to be all out everywhere. You can keep it contained, and then when you do have a chance to get to it, you could put everything away. Similar to that, I have toy baskets in most of the rooms that Carter plays in, so that way I could put all of his toys into a contained space. Keep some all-in-one wipes in various rooms around your home. These are just good to have around the house in a pinch if there's an emergency spill or situation like when Carter pooped on the floor. Yes, that actually happened. A really quick and easy way to remove a sticker from an object is to blast it with your blow dryer. The heat from the blow dryer will melt some of the adhesive on the sticker, so it will make it very easy just to peel off. For articles of clothing that don't need to be washed after every wear, if you want to freshen them up in between washing, you can just pop them in the dryer. I have these dryer balls that I put some essential oils on, run it for a few minutes, and it will fluff up and freshen up your clothes in between washes. I love doing this, especially if I'm going out. If you have kids in the house who are messy eaters, which is basically all kids, I'm pretty sure, something that I've started to do that has helped cut my cleaning time significantly is I got this clear floor mat that I put under his high chair. All I have to do is clean off this plastic mat. It keeps the mess nice and contained. To freshen and deodorize your carpet or rugs as you're cleaning, you can multitask by sprinkling some baking soda on your rugs or carpet and then vacuum it up. The baking soda is a really effective deodorizer, so by adding this into your cleaning routine, you can kill two birds with one stone. Get the most out of your dishwasher. Before I run a load, I also like to put other items in there that are dishwasher safe. So some of Carter's toys will go in there, our dish brush will go in there. So those things are also getting cleaned at the same time that my dishes are. To save time cleaning your oven or toaster oven, line the bottom with aluminum foil. So that way, if there's any drippings or spills, all you have to do is change out the aluminum foil. My favorite fast method for cleaning a blender, put a drop of dish liquid into the blender, some water, and then run the blender for about 15 seconds. Then you just have to rinse it back out with water and you will have a perfectly clean blender, and this is so fast and easy to do. To make toilet cleaning faster and easier, you can put baking soda in your toilet the night before cleaning day and let it sit overnight. Then the next day when you have to do your scrubbing, it will be much easier and faster to scrub out your toilet because you're doing a pre-clean. This is something I have been doing for years. I like to stash extra trash bags at the bottom of the trash can. By having a new garbage bag ready to go, it's so fast and easy to swap out a bag. When you need to clear a surface before cleaning it, so your nightstand or your bathroom countertop, put everything onto a tray and then remove it. So instead of having to go back and forth with each item, you can put everything consolidated onto a tray, move the tray off, and then once the surface is clean, bring the tray back and put your items back. All right, so I'm going to cut myself off there for today. I actually have quite a few more tips, so if you do enjoy this video, give it a thumbs up or let me know in the comments and I can definitely do a part 2. Also, let me know in the comments what you think about this background setup. Do you prefer this, my bedroom? Do you like that I move around? Let me know. If you are not yet subscribed to my channel, make sure to hit the red subscribe button and also the notification bell. And with all of that said, thank you so much for watching and I will see you soon with a new video. Bye.